Hi everyone, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. So I'm going to turn y'all down and we're going to get started. Okay, I'm going to be using this paper towel holder, and I have 4 of the napkin holders. Just cut these little labels off here. Got some zip ties. We're going to be placing them just like this. I have not practiced this one, so we're going to see how this works out. Down below this one. Get some wire cutters here. I'm going to go ahead and put 2 on it, 2 for each side. I've been looking for something to hold my little bottles of paint, and I came across this. So let's try it out. See how this works. Well, and I've got that. So turn your little zip ties out so that this lays flush with the little grid thing. Let's see how many it holds. That's what I was kind of excited to find out. So it looks like for each one is 6. Pretty neat, I would have to say. Now I would probably take it a step further and I would probably add this to a base. And we could even put some big ones in there. Let's see. I've got so many of these little jars that are like half empty, almost empty. So you could even put some in here. Still got more room. I'm liking this. So we have 6, 12, 24 plus 4. We have 28 bottles. That's pretty good. I like this idea. I love this idea so much that I wanted to add to it. So I'm going to show y'all what we can do to make this little DIY even better. So I've got this little box from Dollar Tree, and I ordered these little Lazy Susan little turn thingies. That's what they're called. They're little Lazy Susans. So I'm going to use some E6000, and I'll put the link to these in the video, in the description. E6000 will take 24 to 48 hours to completely dry. I have made little swivel things before with this, and they've turned out very well. Put this back on. So this will be what it does. I hope y'all love this little DIY. I'm glad I thought about putting the little Lazy Susan up under it. I think it's gonna do exactly what I needed. So it holds more bottles than I thought it would, so that's very exciting. I think I need one more and it would hold all my paint, or the little bottles anyway, not the big bottles, but the little bottles. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this little Dollar Tree DIY. So for just the paint holder, $6.25 plus sales tax. If you want to add the little wood rounds, it'd be a couple more dollars more, and I don't remember what I paid for these, but I had a set of 4. So I will put that link in the description of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all. Please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I like hearing from all my sweet friends. Thank y'all, and y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. I love you all. Bye-bye.